Hello, people of the internet. This is the $64 Deadbolt that I put new tires on and new shocks. And before anybody asks where did I get the tires from, I will tell you. They are Goodyear Terra tires, and they look pretty good on a Deadbolt, but they came from this Farm and Fleet toy that has, you know, little just die-cast model Goodyear Terra tires on it. Now the rims, these are not the rims. These are a Midwest looking style rim with a center cap that came from ECB 3D printing. And the ones on the Deadbolt are gray, also available in black. These are freshly painted in white for a Bigfoot with Goodyear tires on it. And it has the proper hex for it and the little center cap that goes in the middle. The background there, you see Bigfoot Cruiser with chrome painted wheels because I know how to paint. But there you have it. Took a toy that somebody at ECB 3D Printing found and thought, you know, I bet you Jeff would like these. Everybody loves the old school Goodyear Terra tires. And yeah, I bought 3 sets. And then I ordered 3 sets of wheels from him. So there you have it. Deadbolt. Old school monster truck looking thing now. That's all. So if you like what you see, click the like and subscribe button. And stay tuned for more. Where did you get those tires from? And how did you do that? I don't know. Keep on monster trucking. Have a nice day.